The majority of network support organizations lack standardized troubleshooting practices. Each person uses different techniques and different tools based upon their personal experience and knowledge. The result is slow and inconsistent troubleshooting, and more time is required to close trouble tickets. This is especially true for support team members with less troubleshooting experience. The OneTouch AT Network Assistant features test profiles so IT organizations can establish troubleshooting best practices and elevate the troubleshooting know-how of the entire network support team. The profile name is shown in the shortcut bar. Tap the name of the profile to open the library of saved profiles. A profile is a named set of tests that can be used in a variety of ways to streamline OneTouch operation. There's lots of flexibility on how profiles can be created. You can build user profiles to encapsulate the network services and applications needed by a specific function within the organization. For example, the accounting department may need to access different services and applications than the engineering department. To load a profile, select it from the menu and tap Load. In this example, the profile name is Users Accounting. Note that the profile name is shown on the shortcut bar. At this point, you would normally tap the Test button to launch an auto test. Let's load a different profile. Open the Profile menu, select and load the device's VoIP profile. Now let's customize this profile for our network. If our IP phone is PoE powered, a common situation, let's measure the PoE power from the switch. In the Tools menu under Wired Test Settings, we will enable Class 3 PoE loading. Let's imagine our IP phones use static addressing. We can emulate this in the profile as well. We can even change the MAC address of the OneTouch to mimic a particular IP phone. Now let's navigate back to the home page. Note the asterisk next to the profile name. This tells us that the profile was modified. After you create a useful profile, you can share it with others in your organization. Then, everyone with a OneTouch will have access to this profile, which can be a huge time saver for both experts and novices alike. To import a profile, open the Profile menu and tap the Manage button. Tap Import and select the location where the profile is saved. The OneTouch supports both SD cards and USB drives to make transferring files between testers simple. After the profile is imported, select it from the menu and tap Load. Establish troubleshooting best practices and elevate the troubleshooting know-how of the entire IT support team with profiles. The OneTouch AT Network Assistant, OneTouch troubleshooting of network performance from client to cloud.